Hi YouTube, today's video is about how to pebble dash point a patio. Now the traditional way to point a patio would be infilling the sort of 10 to 15 mil joints with a sand and cement mix. This project was a little bit different. We came up with the idea of sort of doing a bit of a mosaic patio underneath a pergola. The natural form of that meant there was wider joints, and we decided to come up with a different way of pointing it, which is basically putting a sand and cement pug mix, sort of like a bed, in between the gaps of the slabs, and infilling with 20 to 30 mil pebbles. Now this is something that I think it's basically the same as a pebble dash render on a building. So yeah, I haven't done it before, but I thought it might be, it's a different sort of style, and it's quite creative, and I think the overall look of it came out quite well. So yeah, this video is just going to show you how we done it. It's only a short time lapse, and I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, the first stage of doing this is making sure all of the gaps in between your slabs are fully clean. Before putting in the stones, I went round with a small angle grinder and just cut away any existing bits of pug that were sort of around the slabs. I haven't shown it in this video because it's a little bit boring. And just made sure that there's at least a 1 to 2 inch sort of depth that gives us enough area to put the pug and the stones in between. So this first section, you're just going to see us spreading the pug and placing the stones on top. I have put a bit of an SBR mix into the sand and cement. This is just going to give it a lot more fixing really, and help it stick to the bed. Yeah, so the first part's just us putting it down, and then it will move into the time lapse, speed things up a bit. So the area that we are pebble dashing is around only 6 square meters in size, and the total time to do this probably only took us about an hour. Obviously that's with 2 people, one of us laying the pug and the other just placing the stone and pressing it down into place. When pushing the stone down, be sure to get the levels right. So yeah, make sure they're not sort of above the slabs and just shy of the top of the slabs really. This will prevent any chipping off in the future if you're going to use the patio for sort of putting a table and chairs upon. You want to make sure that the stones aren't above the slabs and causing not a trip hazard, but they may get in the way a little bit if you're putting items on the patio. After we'd put all the stones down, there was some areas where I'd marked the slabs slightly with a bit of the sand and cement. So I went round and just gave each slab a good wipe off with a damp cloth, and cleaned any excess markings off of the slabs, just to ensure we don't get any stains when it's all dried up and finished. If you'd like to find out more about how we built this pebble dash patio, feel free to contact us. You can come and have a look at our website. It's www.craftedlandscapes.co.uk. We're on social media, Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. Just search for Crafted Landscapes, and of course we're on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. We're going to be putting on, every time we do a new project, we're going to be filming and adding on our content onto our YouTube channel to help inspire other people and also get pointers for ourselves. By no means are we fully professionals. We're just a small landscaping business that's got a sort of real sort of passion for design and creativeness really. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.